Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to unlink Bitmoji from your Snapchat account. Go to the Snapchat app from your apps list. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner. Go to the settings from the top right corner. From the My Account setting, you can find the option Bitmoji. Tap on this. And in the Bitmoji setting, you can find the option Unlink My Bitmoji. Tap on this. A pop-up menu will open. If you tap on Unlink button, then your Bitmoji will be deleted. Now tap on Unlink. That's it. Your Bitmoji is deleted and unlinked from your Snapchat account. Now go back to your profile and you can see the Bitmoji is removed from your profile picture. So that is how you can unlink Bitmoji from your Snapchat account. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.